Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change main language rates. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you just head over and click on this add apps right here. And then on the Wix app market that will open, we need to search for a specific app. So let's search in here for Wix Multilingual. So let's search for that. So in here, you can see this multilingual. And then in here, just click on this one. Now, what you need to do is just need to click on Add to Site, and then this will open a new window that will verify the specific application's installation on our website. Now, in here, we need to confirm our site's default language. Now, for this one, let's choose English. And then in here, you can add in some languages that you can use for this Wix multilingual. So for this one, it will open the Wix dashboard, and in here you can see the multilingual and the multilingual overview as well. Now you can add a new language, like for example, Korean. And then we can see here the flag. So you can also auto-translate this content as well as make site in Korean. So click on add language right here, and then you can also add in a new one. So let's click on add language, and then let's add in a specific one, which is this Bosnian, and then make this visible and click on add. And then once you have done that, you can now see that we have added this language. Now, if you want to change the main language, just click on this and click on set regional format, and then just choose the regional format that you want. And in that way, you should be able to change your main language on Wix. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change main language on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.